Estrogen, along with progesterone and growth hormones, are actual hormones responsible for breast size enlargement, its firm-shaped and elastic skin. But, in this advanced era of life, stress, anxiety in females resulted in low levels of these hormones, which resulted in increased production of testosterone. Ultimately, you get smaller bust size. Following are foods that bring all essential hormones level in blood higher and also provide vitamins and minerals required for normal growth of breasts. Before we start, please subscribe my channel. 1. Carrot for breast enlargement. Carrots can be very effective food for enlargement of your breasts because it is rich in estrogen. Daily make a glass of carrot juice and drink it on an empty stomach to increase your estrogen level naturally. You can eat it raw as well after thorough cleaning. 2. Soy products. The consumption of soy products can also be amazing to get bigger boobs rapidly. The isoflavones and genistein found in soy is believed to be beneficial for increase of breast size. 3. Peas. You also need to use peas for larger breasts as it decrease testosterone level in blood and increase estrogen in return. You will notice changes in your diet after including this item on a regular basis for 60 days. Peas, such as chickpeas and black beans, work wonders for naturally increasing the size of your breasts. 4. Alfalfa's sprouts. The phytoestrogen chemical known as isoflavone, which is abundant in alfalfa sprouts, is thought to aid in the stimulation of breast milk production and breast growth. This alfalfa grass helps to enlarge your breasts. Since it is safe and has no unfavorable side effects, you can include it in your diet without hesitation. 5. Dairy products. Dairy products, especially milk, contains reproductive hormones such as estrogen, progesterone, prolactin, which are essential for breast growth as well. They increase milk production. Check in description box.